Did you know that potatoes are the fourth most consumed crop in the world following rice, wheat, and corn? It's no surprise considering the versatility and universal appeal of this humble tuber. Whether fried, baked, mashed, or boiled, potatoes always find a way to our hearts, and more importantly, our stomachs. The potato ricer boasts a simple yet effective design. It features two long handles, one fixed and one movable, with a perforated basket in between. Just place your boiled potatoes in the basket, squeeze the handles, and voila! You have finely riced potatoes ready for your culinary masterpiece. One of the many benefits of the potato ricer is its ability to produce consistent, lump-free results. No more uneven, chunky mashed potatoes. This tool ensures that every bite is as smooth and satisfying as the last. What's more, the potato ricer is easy to clean and store, making it a practical addition to any kitchen. Using a potato ricer is as easy as 1, 2, 3. First, cut your boiled potatoes into quarters. This makes it easier to load them into the ricer. Next, place the potato pieces in the perforated basket. Now comes the fun part. Simply squeeze the handles together and watch as the potato is transformed into fine, fluffy, rice-like pieces. See how effortless that was? And just like that, you've turned a simple potato into a gourmet ingredient. With a potato ricer, making gourmet-quality mashed potatoes has never been easier. We recommend the Priority Chef Potato Ricer. It is affordable, stainless steel, easy and comfortable to use, and comes with a lifetime warranty. Now imagine the delight of your dinner guests when you serve them velvety mashed potatoes or homemade gnocchi, all made possible by the potato ricer. Picture the joy of preparing baby food that's just the right consistency, without any worry of choking hazards. Envision the convenience of quickly draining cooked spinach or other leafy greens without the need for a colander. The potato ricer is more than just a kitchen gadget, it's a game changer. It's the secret weapon that elevates ordinary dishes to gourmet status. It's the tool that bridges the gap between home cooking and restaurant-quality meals. So why not give the potato ricer a try? Embrace the potential of this versatile tool and discover a whole new world of culinary possibilities. After all, in the kitchen, it's not just about the ingredients you use, but also the tools you wield. Remember, every great chef knows the value of having the right tools at their disposal. And when it comes to preparing potatoes, there's no tool quite like the potato ricer. Get yours today. Click on the link below for the Priority Chef Potato Ricer. So go ahead, take the plunge and add a potato ricer to your kitchen arsenal. You won't regret it.